Potentiometer is a device that can be used to measure the EMF of a source. The source can be a cell without drawing any current from the source. This is the main reason why potentiometer is so important. Without drawing any current from the source, we can measure its EMF. We know that EMF is the electromotive force. Now let me draw the potentiometer. So potentiometer looks like this. This is the battery connected with a rheostat. Here point A, and here a rheostat will be connected with some key K and the point B. In between point A and B, long wire is there. This wire basically made up of constantan or manganese. These are resistive wire. So this wire in meter bridge, we have found in meter bridge it is length of 1 meter, but here in potentiometer generally this wire we will find here that it is not 1 meter but several meters. In some potentiometer you will find 4 meter, in some potentiometer you will find 10 meter long. So, and from this point A, here the galvanometer, and here is the jockey J. This is our battery with EMF E. Now you will understand the principle of the potentiometer, that is how it works. It works on the principle that potential difference across any part of the uniform wire is directly proportional to the length of that portion of the wire when the current through this is constant. Clear? So when current flow is constant, then potential difference across any part of the uniform wire is directly proportional to the length of that portion. Now let V be the potential difference across the portion of the wire of length L. Let us take this is the length L, and resistance capital R and uniform area of cross section is A. This wire having uniform cross section area capital A. So if the potential difference for this part of the wire is V, we can write V equals to IR, where R is the resistance of this part and I is the current flowing through this wire. As we know that capital R can be written rho L by A, where rho is the resistivity and L is the length of the wire, A is the area of cross section, then we can write from here that V equals to I rho L by A. Now see, I rho L by A, when the current flowing through the wire is constant, rho is the resistivity of the material, always constant, and area of cross section is constant everywhere. So this part is a constant. So I can write V equals to KL, where K is the constant, K is I rho by A. So V actually proportional to length L. So here when potential difference is proportional to length, only when the condition is that the current should be constant overall through this wire and the area of cross section also constant everywhere. This A is not this one, okay, this A is the area of cross section of the wire.